Hello everyone, welcome to yours unknown trainer, where learning today secures your job tomorrow. Today we are going to discuss digital electronics in that introduction to number systems. I will upload the handwritten notes in GitHub and the link will be posted soon. First of all, what is number system? A number system is a way of representing numbers using symbols or digits in a consistent manner. A number system is a way of representing numbers using symbols or digits in a consistent manner. Digital electronics number systems are used to represent and process data inside computers and digital devices. Number system is also defined as language of numbers. Each number system is based on its base or radix. Let us discuss classification of number systems. In digital electronics, number systems are classified into four types. They are binary number system, octal number system, decimal number system, and last, hexadecimal number system. The radix for binary number system is 2, and for octal 8, and for decimal 10, for hexadecimal 16. First, let us discuss binary number system. It is the fundamental language of computers, as all data is stored and processed in binary number system. Radix or base is 2. Here we use 2 digits, that is from 0 to r minus 1, where r is nothing but radix, that is 2. So 0 to 2 minus 1 equal to 0 to 1. We use 2 numbers. Those are 0, 1. Example for binary number system is 1010, and second one is octal number system. It is often used as a shorthand for binary numbers. Its radix or base is 8. Here we use 0 to 7 bits, because 0 to r minus 1 is 0 to 8 minus 1, so 0 to 7 bits. Those are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. The total value count is 8. Example is 36. By this definition, it is often used as shorthand for binary numbers. So this number can be represented in binary numbers as first take 5 with 3 digits, 1, 0, 1, and 6 with also 3 digits, 1, 1, 0. It is in octal form. It is in binary form. Third one is decimal number systems. This is the number system humans normally use in daily life. Each digit's place value is based on powers of 10. That is radix or base is 10. Digits used in this are from 0 to 9. Those are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. The total count value is 10. And example for this is 253. This is the decimal value. The last number system type is hexadecimal. It is widely used in computer, memory addresses, color codes, and machine level programming. Radix or base is 16. Digits are from 0 to 15. Those are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and A, B, C, D, E, F. In digital electronics, we do not use numbers like 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. We use A for representation of 10, B for 11, C for 12, D for 13, E for 14, F for 15. That is where A is 10, B 11, C 12, D 13, E 14, F 15. And example for this is AF. Thank you.